Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets that we have that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. For GainX 1200, it had been on a very strong downtrend. Okay, for so many days, it has been selling and selling, breaking out from most support region. So right now, it has gotten to this support region and it has been playing around there for a while. So we are expecting it to go fully into a buy trend or to buy for a while. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more buying opportunity, except if it breaks out below this support zone, that is when it's going to sell. But for now, it is going to be more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and of course, GainX 999 has been on downtrend. Okay, broke out from this support zone to sell more, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, if it should break out below the next support zone, then it's still going to sell more than that. But if it does not, it's most likely for it to change from a downtrend into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1002. Let's check it out together. So this is Paynex 1002. Paynex 1002 started a downtrend right from here. Gave us, switched from an uptrend to a downtrend and gave us the sell signal right from here. And of course, we should check out this support trend line. It also broke out below it right from here. So this gives us an assurance that this is going to sell for a while. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. Okay. This is Paynex 999. For Paynex 999, it had been on downtrend for long. And of course, this has actually got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out below it. Okay. So it's trying to go back into an uptrend, even though it bought for a while before turning back and selling right now. So right now it is still selling. If it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then we are most likely to see it buying right from there. Okay, but for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below that support region. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and just where we have seen this actually started a downtrend right from here, and so till it got to this region. And if you should notice, it has been playing around this region for a while. It has been playing around this region for a while. It has not been able to go below this particular lower part of the channel. Okay, and also um the upper part of the channel, which happen to be this region, guys. I'm going to pick it from here, this region. Okay, so it has been moving within these two regions for a while, and of course, if it should break out above this, then it's going to buy more. But if it should break out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so wait for the breakout, guys. I will advise us to wait for the breakout because we are on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And of course, if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.